Today we're going to be taking a look at the MaxxTow Off Road LED light bar. The LED light bar is going to produce a bright mixed beam, which is ideal for off-road driving. It's going to feature flood beams. It's great for seeing out in front of you as well as off to the sides. And it's going to have your spot beams, which is great for seeing at a long distance. It's going to feature superior light output. We're going to have 2 rows of LEDs on this system. It's 100 LED lights, so we're going to have 50 LEDs per row. It's going to use premium LEDs. It's going to feature 30,000 hour lifespans, and it's a really nice, durable, weather-resistant construction. The unit itself is made from a lightweight aluminum when it comes to the housing and the brackets, and that's all going to have a nice black powder-coated finish on it, which is going to offer excellent rust and corrosion protection. And then we're looking at a really nice, tough and durable polycarbonate glass lens, very hard to break, and it's going to be scratch resistant. Now, the unique design of the housing really allows heat to disperse quickly and escape from the unit, so that's another added bonus of this LED light bar. And you can see here that it's just a really unique design, really nice design, and it's an easy installation. It's going to come with your universal mounting brackets, and it's going to come with all the necessary mounting hardware that you need to get the unit installed. That allows it to be installed to pretty much any application. It's also going to come with your necessary wiring, and it's going to have a power switch right here to control the lights from inside your vehicle. The power switch has an adhesive backing for easy installation. The unit's also going to feature a fuse holder right here. It's in line, and it is going to be fuse protected. It does come with the 30 amp fuse. It's already installed there in the fuse holder. There's going to be some wiring coming out of the back of the LED light. It's a 2-wire design, so your red wire is your power wire, black wire is your ground wire. These 2 wires are designed to connect to your harness. These 2 wires here. Now, all the wires are going to be protected. They have the nice jacket that goes over them, keep them safe and secure. But these 2 wires from the light connect to the 2 wires here from the harness. The relay switch, which is this unit right here, is going to mount near the vehicle battery. And then it's got your black wire and red wire, which connects to the negative and positive posts of the vehicle battery. And it's going to come with the ring terminals on there for easy connecting. And then you're going to have your power switch that would run up to the cab or inside the cab of the vehicle, or really any location that's easily accessible and where you would like to actually power the unit on and off from. So the harness is included. This is designed to connect to a standard 12-volt DC power source. When it comes to the viewable area, the lens of the unit is going to give us a measurement of 50 1/8 of an inch long by 2 inches tall. So again, it's a really nice design, very bright. Again, it's going to contain 100 LEDs, 50 per row. It's going to have a raw lumen output of 22,000 lumens. The length of just the bar is going to give us a measurement of 51 5/16 of an inch. That's measuring from corner to corner. Now, it's too wide here for the table, so I couldn't put the mounting arms or the feet on it. But again, those are included. They're universal. They got a jagged tooth design right here. That way you can pivot the light bar to change the angle and then retighten the hardware. So that's a really neat feature of the unit as well. Now, I also did multiple other measurements. So I took a length measurement of the bar and the mounting tab, so to the ends right here. And that gave us a measurement of 52 1/16 of an inch. If you put a mount on here, I measured to the end of the mount, so to this point here, edge to edge, I did it on both sides and got an overall length measurement of 53 5/16 of an inch. And then I also did a measurement from outer edge to outer edge with the arms or with the mounts fully installed. And that gave us an overall width measurement of 54 9/16 of an inch. So this should give you some really good understanding as to whether or not this is going to work out for maybe the spot that you have in mind of mounting a light bar of this size. The mount holes, once the brackets are on there, there's going to be a mount hole located on the bottom there, one on each side. Those mount holes, when fully installed, are going to be separated on center by 53 13/16 of an inch. With the light bar mounted to the brackets, it's going to give us a straight up and down height measurement of 4.5 inches. The height measurement of just the bar itself, so from bottom to top of the front face, is about 3 1/4 inches. And then the overall depth from very front to very back is only about 3.5 inches deep. Again, it's going to contain 100 LEDs. The wattage is 300 watts. That's 3 watts per LED. The harness right here gives you plenty of wiring for your application. So I took a measurement from where it connects to the wires out of the LED light bar. So I measured from the end of the harness all the way to the relay, which would be near the vehicle battery. And that gave us a measurement of 9.5 feet. And then I measured from the relay to the power switch. And that gave us an additional 9 feet. So you're going to have plenty of wiring to make your connections. And all that's included. So what I want to do now is simply just go ahead and hook it up to power. That way you can see what it looks like with some power running to it. And then we'll turn off our overhead light so you can see in a low light setting. Now this is a super bright LED light. Really nice design. A lot of light output. Again, you're looking at 100 LEDs. Really nice quick response time too from when you hit the power switch to when the light comes on. It's very immediate. And again, this light bar is going to contain that mixed beam design. So you're going to have flood beams, which again is great for seeing out in front of you as well as to both sides of the vehicle. And you're going to have your spot beams, which is really going to help seeing a long distance away. That's going to do it for today's look at the MaxxTow Off Road LED light bar.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.